Hi everyone, so there's a couple of projects I wanted to share with you for InLoveArts shop. So first, it's this scrapbook die. So it creates a really cute mini album. So this one creates a pocket. Well, they both create pockets. And then it comes with the tag. So this tag fits in this pocket right here. And then this tag goes with this pocket right here. So this is a cute little mini album, and the paper collection I use for all the projects is Prima's With Love collection. So you can see, here's that tag. Really cute. It's a cute little mini book. And then here's the smaller tag. Really adorable. And then I just created another one at the back. Really fun. It's really beautiful paper collection. And then I just bind it with some jute twine here. Okay, so that is the first die set. I'll just set that aside. Alright, so the next die set, it says that it creates an album, but I think it creates more of a card than an album. But you could probably incorporate this into a scrapbook album. But here's the fun card that I created. Really pretty. And so I just layered it with some of the ephemera pieces, and then I add dimensional pop dot to give it some dimension. But it makes a really beautiful card. And then it folds up like that, so it makes it easier to mail out. But it's a beautiful die, and you just have to die cut it once to create this. So really pretty. And then the next die we have is this really pretty lace die. It's a border die. I believe it's called a wave border. So you get a smaller and larger one. But I used it for a bag topper. So here's my bag topper. Thought that turned out pretty. So you can see where I incorporate the larger one. And I also incorporate it in another project that I'm going to share with you. But I love how that turned out. So again, like I've mentioned in my other videos, that I like to pick out dies that I can incorporate in, in each of the projects that I make. And I love this one. This one is a scallop lace border die. So you get a larger and a much, well, you get a smaller but larger, and then a longer one but smaller. That makes sense. But really pretty. I love this. It's really beautiful. So I made it, I incorporated it onto my box. So basically I took two of these and then I put it back to back, and then it creates a really pretty, what do you call that, a belly band. And then this is what the smaller one looks like when you die cut it out. Really beautiful. I love the detail on it. So that is that die set. Alright, and then the next one is this beautiful flower die called Mini Flower Nature. So you get a leaf, and I love this leaf die because it has a score line on the leaf, and you can use this with any of your flowers. And then there's this die, and then you get this one, and then this is supposed to be like the stamen, and then you get this scallop. So I created an embellishment right here. So I just basically layered it on top of each other. And you'll notice here that I added to this bag. So I layered that on top of this border die. So it's a really beautiful flower. Okay, so that is that die set. And you'll see throughout my other projects how I incorporated those flowers as well. But let me show you the other ones I made. So I incorporated my flares in the center, and I love how that turned out. Here's another one. And they make such beautiful flowers. And then I added some diamond dust in the center. So it's really pretty with this paper. Okay, and then this die, this one is called a, I think it's a lace floral frame die. So you get two different sizes. So you get a larger and a small one. I use the smaller one to layer on this envelope. So it's just an envelope with a Velcro closure. And then you can see here where I layered it. And then this is that wave border die that I had shared, which was this one. So I incorporated it in there too, and also the flower. So they look really pretty together. So that is that die set. And then the last one, I love this one. This is a beautiful, it's called the Bubble Wind Heart Nesting. So you get these two heart dies. And I made a pretty card, really simple, but look how pretty it is. So what I did was, when I die cut it out, I kept the heart that was in the center, and I put dimensional pop dots underneath, and then I put it on top. And then I took this heart and put dimensional pop dots underneath that, and layered it on top of that heart. And then it just makes a really pretty dimensional card. So those are my dies from InLoveArts Shop. I'll put all the links to the dies down below along with my discount code. And thanks for watching. Bye.